Good morning to all of you. Welcome to our Sri Krishna Rudra Medical Academy. Online classes as well as offline classes. Our institute is in Kannur, Vijayawada. Chalo. Today we are going to discuss, not discussion, interaction with the students and parents, just who completed 10th standard. For them, what is important? When they are supposed to start the preparation of NEET and JEE for 2023 NEET examination or JEE examination. Achha, what are the basic things they're supposed to follow? We are going to discuss this particularly in this video. Now, just they completed this 10th standard, there is a transition period between 10th and 11th standard. The reason is 10th standard, up to 10th, not only 10th standard, up to 10th standard, they are writing only board examination. They are new for competitive examination. Of course, fill in the blanks questions are MCQ questions also there, previously introduced, but that questions are also asked in the textbook only. So see the comparison. What is the difference between a competitive examination and board examination? Competitive examination may, so what they read, just they can reproduce it. That's his first point you see. Board exam mein kya important hai? What they read, the same thing they will ask in examination. They can reproduce, they get maximum marks. No doubt at all. So the year there is no chance for IQ of the students only. Those who are doing hard work, they can get maximum marks in board examination. But in competitive examination is different from board examination. There, applications of concepts are required. Not only theory part, some application skills are required. So there is a lot of transition is required when student is moving from 10th standard to 11th standard only. At the initial stage, they feel very difficulty because this transition stage is there. Now, writing skills are required in board examination, but competitive examination में writing skills का कोई problem नहीं है. They require application skills. They will ask applications of the concepts what they learned, which are given in NCERT textbooks. Purely applications of the concepts or application skills is required. Actually, here only writing skills are required. Just screenplay and direction is enough in case of board examination. Systematically you can arrange that becomes the answer of the particular question. But application skills are required in case of competitive examination. Achha, here is absolute performance. So, आपका बच्चों को your daughter and son getting 90%, 100%, 99%, doesn't matter. That is absolute performance of your child only. Not only you, your child, and the remaining child also getting the same percentage only. Absolute performance. There is no comparison with other students only. Achha, few of them are getting 10 points. Your one also getting 10 points. There is no comparison at all. Because absolute performance is there in case of board examination. But relative performance. Achha, no students get the same rank in competitive examinations. Achha, relative performance is required here. Matlab, competition is tough hota hai. Achha, here relative performance hai. But particularly in JEE mains hai, percentile they will asking you 99 percentile and 90 percentile. When compared to the topper, how much you got it? That is a percentile. Achha, percentile competitive examination में percentile is matter होता है. ये percentile का कोई लेना देना नहीं है in case of board examination. But board exam is not meant for elimination reaction. 99% of all students are passed in board examination. For your kind of information, last year because of Corona pandemic condition, achha, they're also lagging for writing the board examination also. Achha, a big, huge transition is required. The student is moving from 10th standard to 11th standard. Because preparation of NEET examination, JEE examination, itna easy nahi tha. Some basic foundation is required only. We should supposed to lay the basic foundation from here only. After 2 years, starting from this period, after 2 years, they can easily first attempt they can crack NEET examination or JEE examination thoroughly prepared only. Achha, don't mind that. So your perceptions are Still colleges are not open, schools are not open. How we can join in particular coaching institutions? So it doesn't matter. Competitive exam never be stopped only. Because of pandemic condition, other conditions, they must run the competitive examinations only. But board examination में ऐसा नहीं है. Suppose any pandemic condition is there, then they can postpone or they can pass the examination only. But competitive exam ऐसा नहीं है. आपके लिए exam नहीं, they will not stop the examination because you are not prepared well because of COVID pandemic condition. You are not taking any coaching. Doesn't matter only. Whether any condition you supposed to write the competitive examination because you have to enter into the professional degrees, professional colleges only. Whether that is medical college and IIT college, professional college you need to enter. You have to start preparation as early as possible only. Don't wait, sir. After taking admission in intermediate college, I can take the coaching, particularly JEE and NEET examination. That is not a good decision. If your real ambition is to become a good doctor and of your son and daughter, then better to start as early as possible. Don't tell that, sir, after the 2 months, 3 months, otherwise, sir, we are wait and see if third wave will come. And after there is no third wave, then I will send my child to the college. This is not correct way. If suppose you are not sending your child to the college, no matter it. But so many online platforms are there. Better to prepare from online. Because if your child is not preparing for online, the only thing is your child is not getting the rank. Your child is not prepared well. Other children are preparing. Other students are preparing. Why should not your child? Think properly. Think, dear parents, I am suggesting all the parents only. Acha, don't waste your time only. It will not come back again. Right? Board examination may not. It is not meant for elimination round. Not meant for elimination round. Every students can pass in board examination only. But every students who are writing in NEET examination and JEE examination not getting the rank particularly. But this is meant for elimination reaction. Matlab, that's the reason why little bit competitive examination is tricky, little bit tricky, but simple that. Once they prepared well, organized, preparation is very organized, a smart work, is well planned, proper execution, definitely they can get the best rank in NEET examination or JEE examination. Whether your child is studying in 11th standard or 12th standard, I am telling 12th standard students also. 12th standard students also wasted 1 year time. Still 10 months time is left. 10 months time is also sufficient. Happened is happened. Leave it. So last is wasted. Don't waste for remaining 10 months also. Now also you start preparation for NEET and JEE examination. Don't believe the things what happens previously. Don't compromise yourself only. Miracles never happen in your comfort zone only. Sir, I am a comfort zone in the matlab, colleges are not open, you are enjoying, you are not studying, you are waiting for when college will open, when institutes will start, when coaching will start. Your comfort zone, you cannot do any miracles only. I am telling you, my dear parents and students only. Whenever is the opportunities are, so whenever challenge will come now, you can make it challenge into opportunity only. This adverse condition, I can do my best, my level best only. I can prove myself only. Right? Try yourself, try myself. If any difficult situation is come, you can ask the God, try myself. Don't ask that why to me only. This is not correct. So I am telling you how 11th standard, 12th standards are very important when preparing NEET examination, JEE examination. See the contribution last 22 years में NEET में, this is NEET contributions. First NEET contributions I am telling you. अच्छा ये NEET वाला NEET का contribution है. NEET का contributions है. I think everybody knows the pattern of the NEET round. There are NEET में 4 subjects होता है, physics, chemistry, botany, zoology. Each subject में 45 questions हैं, 180 marks हैं. अच्छा ई सब्जेक्ट में 180 मार्क्स है, 4 सब्जेक्ट में 720 मार्क्स है. अच्छा later we discuss in detail है 720 मार्क्स में. अच्छा 720 मार्क्स में there are 2 years 11th standard and 12th standard है. इंटरमीडिएट फर्स्ट ईयर सेकंड ईयर है. इंटरमीडिएट फर्स्ट ईयर में देखो कितना परसेंटेज दिया. देखो फिजिक्स में 11th स्टैंडर्ड में 34% है. 2021 नीट एग्जाम में 34% है. 12th स्टैंडर्ड में 66% है. अच्छा दिस हैपेंड ओनली इन दिस ईयर ओनली बिकॉज corona pandemic condition. This year central government particularly for CBSE syllabus they reduced some syllabus in 11th standard. That's why they asked the less question in 11th standard. But आप देख लीजिए 2020 also 19 also 18 also almost more or less equal contributions are there. अच्छा ये देखो 11th में ज्यादा परसेंटेज दिया. Most of the students perception है those who are studying 11th standard है their perception है. अच्छा 11th standard they are studying very effectless. अच्छा आराम से they are not focused in 11th standard only. Their perception is अच्छा छोड़ दो 11th छोड़ दो. Whenever we enter into 12th we preparing NEET examination JEE exam. इस गलत बात है. It is absolutely wrong statement only. Because we know the 11th standard very clearly. Your concepts are very clear in 11th standard. So definitely you have better edge when compared to remaining students only. Because contributions are almost equal. अच्छा 180 questions 180 marks में अगर फिजिक्स एंड केमिस्ट्री 180 marks में आपको ऑलमोस्ट 90 marks और 70 marks 80 marks है 11th standard में अभी आता है. Once your concepts are very clear in 11th standard, you are enjoying the 12th standard only. But you are ignoring the 11th standard, very difficult for 12th standards also. So my dear students, my dear parents, I am suggesting you, so don't waste your time. So whether you join intermediate college, but you want to become a good engineer, you want to become a good doctor, better to start today itself only, as early as possible only. Acha, no one is waiting for you. Competitive examination not waiting for you. You are not prepared. They are not postponing competitive examinations only. Because professional courses are time to time they will take the admissions only, right? चलो ये फिजिक्स का not only physics and chemistry biology 11th and 12th contributes equally. So we supposed to start 11th also, but those who are studying 12th standard students, for them also happened. Just some students are ignored, but still 10 months time is left. You can start both parallelly 11th and 12th also. Achha, already damage over. Just you have to repair your damage what is done in 11th standard only. But before 3 months of the examination, we have no time. You are not enough time to revise 11th and 12th standard only. Now itself is a huge plenty of time is available. Just use it, grab it properly. अच्छा no, I said ना 2021 में केमिस्ट्री में ज्यादा क्वेश्चन दिया. इन 12th स्टैंडर्ड में ज्यादा दिया 11th में 40% है. बट अब देखो 2020 में इक्वल कंट्रीब्यूशन दिया, ऑलमोस्ट इक्वल कंट्रीब्यूशन दिया. सो you might know that how it is important for studying 11th and 12th properly. Your basic concepts also very clear in 11th standard. Once your concepts are very clear, you are enjoying studying for 12th standard. So my sky is your limit only. Right? I once again repeating this statement. Miracles never happen in your comfort zone only. Acha college, after reopening of the college, after some time, after the deadline, I will start the preparation. Oh, ये गलत बात है. ये सही नहीं है. You are absolutely wrong. Better prepare to don't postpone it tomorrow. Who knows what happens tomorrow? Today we'll start it. That's it. Now biology also more or less. So biology में this year and last year का कोई change नहीं है. देखो more or less equal contribution. 11th का contribution है and 12th का contribution equally contributed है. इसमें कोई change नहीं होता है. So 11th as well as 12th both are equally important while getting the best rank in NEET examination or JEE examination also. देखो tentative I said ना 720 marks के लिए पेपर होता है 720 मार्क्स के नीट एग्जाम में। अच्छा ओपन कैटेगरी में चलो दिस ईयर रेंज इज 530 510 है। अच्छा दिस स्टेट वाइड कोटा ओनली आई एम टेलिंग दैट आंध्रा एंड तेलंगाना ओनली, बट नेशनल वाइड कोटा में आउट ऑफ 720 में सपोज टू गेट 600 आउट ऑफ 720। अच्छा एयर इंडिया, दिस इज एयर इंडिया, आई सेड all India rank के लिए I am telling this is state wide quota only, don't bother about state wide quota right now, but this is not right now, this don't bother about this is the only range I am telling you, but ये all India rank के लिए 600 is sufficient, 600 marks है, definitely you get the rank in government college के लिए 600 marks है 720। in order to get 600 marks for NEET, I am telling about NEET examination, after that I go for JEE examination also। अच्छा 600 marks है which is sufficient है, but in order to get the 600 marks है you can work effectively starting from today only, you have to start the preparation, okay। अच्छा ये देखो ये वाला जेई का प्रिपरेशन है, ये वाला जेई मेन का, ये वाला जेई मेन अदर नीट एग्जामिनेशन डजंट मैटर। आप देखो क्लास 12th का क्लास 11th का इक्वल कंट्रीब्यूशन होता है। अच्छा केमिस्ट्री में देखो 63। अच्छा केमिस्ट्री में दिस ईयर मोर सिलेबस इज आस्क्ड इन 12th स्टैंडर्ड, आई सेड ना 11th स्टैंडर्ड में क्या होता है, 11th स्टैंडर्ड में दिस ईयर बिकॉज ऑफ कोरोना पैंडेमिक कंडीशन दे गिव यू लेस प्रायोरिटी इन 11th स्टैंडर्ड है, मोर प्रायोरिटी गिवन 12th स्टैंडर्ड होता है, सो दैट्स व्हाई। अच्छा both whether you are preparing for engineering, you are preparing for medical entrance and competitive examination, doesn't matter, both 11th standard 12th standard, so contribution is equal होता है। अच्छा once again I am reminded you are prepared well in 11th standard है, just you are enjoying the concepts in 12th standard sir, interestingly। अच्छा definitely more chance to get the ranks in NEET examination, JEE examination once you are thoroughly prepared in 11th standard। अच्छा मैथमेटिक्स आल्सो देखो 12th स्टैंडर्ड में 68% है, 11th में 32%। इस ईयर जेई में 12th ज्यादा परसेंट दिया। अच्छा ओवरऑल देखो 11th एंड 12th फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री ऑल टुगेदर है। अच्छा 12th का 60% दिया, 11th का 40% दिया। कंट्रीब्यूशन देखो 11th का कंट्रीब्यूशन भी 40% है, 12th कंट्रीब्यूशन भी 60% है। Don't waste your time. I'm analyzing all these NEET previously asked questions है, 11th का 12th का contributions are equal होता है, more or less equal होता है, not exactly we tell 50%, but more or less equal होता है। not only equal है, basic concepts are you have to learn from 11th only, not 12th only। some linked topics are there in 11th and 12th, all subjects है, in mathematics also, physics also, chemistry also, like in bio also। so without link very difficult to study in 12th standard also। देखो ये कट ऑफ है, जेई मेन का कट ऑफ है लास्ट पेज में विल टेक द कट ऑफ है। अच्छा क्या सर इतना कम मार्क्स है, देखो पेपर इजी होता है बट प्रिपरेशन लेवल है, व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग दैट द प्रिपरेशन लेवल है, द प्रिपरेशन इज नॉट एनफ फॉर यू बट यू प्रिपेयरिंग इट। अच्छा देखो 95 मार्क्स, अच्छा परसेंटेज डिफरेंट परसेंटाइल है। अच्छा 96 परसेंटाइल में भी परसेंटेज में भी 99 परसेंटाइल हो सकता है, 90 परसेंटाइल हो सकता है, परसेंटाइल डिफरेंट परसेंटेज ओनली। अच्छा 95 मार्क्स है तो गेटिंग इज डिफिकल्ट है, 95 मार्क्स है, पेपर इतना ही टफ नहीं था। अच्छा 95 देखो 95 मार्क्स है, 87 मार्क्स है, ये क्या है जनरल कैटेगरी में आउट ऑफ 360 में। यू स्टडी properly, your preparation is smoothly चलेगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, आराम से you get 200 250 also, we get 250 marks है, definitely we can get a best NIT में सीट आता है। this is what I am telling JEE main का। अच्छा JEE advanced में इतना कम मार्क्स होता है, कट ऑफ also, but your preparation है start from 11th है, you enjoying। अच्छा definitely in first attempt itself we can get a better rank in NEET examination as well as JEE examination। अच्छा I will give the overall briefing है। total number of students appeared in 2021 NEET examination, this is 2021 NEET examination। अच्छा, दिस इज फॉर नीट एग्जामिनेशन के लिए। अच्छा, every year it may be increased 1 lakh to 2 lakhs है। Previously 15 lakh students are appeared है, this is 16 lakh students are appeared है। अच्छा, total seats are available 78,000 plus हो। अच्छा, मतलब 1:5 रेशियो। अच्छा, 78,000 80,000 सपोज मान लो, 80,000 मान लो, एम्स का भी जिपमर भी ऐड करो, 80,000 होता है। अच्छा, अपीयर 16 लाख स्टूडेंट्स है, कंपटीशन बहुत टफ था। But seriously, I'm telling that very less out of 16 lakhs, only 5 to 6 lakh students are preparing seriously. By remaining issues, by default, they are writing the examination. I am telling seriously. With my experience, previous experience, I am telling you that competition is only between 5 to 6 lakh students. Remaining 10 lakh students, there is no competition. Just they are enjoying studying 11th and 12th. They are not serious about their preparation of it. You take it seriously. You take it serious about your preparation of NEET examination. For you is very damn sure. NEET rank and JEE rank. Now JEE also same manner है। अच्छा, totally 12 lakhs plus है, 9 lakhs because of for corona pandemic conditions, 9 lakh 10 lakhs students are only appeared है। But this is JEE advanced का सीट है, IIT से, IIT का सीट है, इतना IIT और बनता है every year। अच्छा, 13,580 सीट्स आर ओनली पॉसिबिलिटी देयर इन केस ऑफ JEE advanced। अच्छा, JEE मेन में ज्यादा सीट्स हैं, आप देख लीजिए। अच्छा, फॉर NITs में अराउंड 21,000 seats are possibility there approximately for engineering students, rather other than what I am telling that local engineering colleges। I am telling about NITs, IITs के लिए, but I am not discussing now, it is for local engineering college के लिए। अच्छा, IITs, triple IT also very less है, 4,713 seats are available triple IT से। अच्छा, ये देखो GFTS, government funded technical institutions sir। अच्छा, self finance, some government funded institutions also there also seats are available, 5,806 seats are available। अच्छा, around देखो 21,000 for 25,000 and 30,000 seats are possibility for through JEE main है। अच्छा, through JEE main है, in around through JEE main है, in around 30,000 seats are possible। अच्छा, JEE advanced के लिए around 13,000 seats are possible for only for IITs, but NITs है, triple ITs है and government funded technical institutions में all together is 30,000 plus seats are available for you। अच्छा, competition very tough था, but I'm telling you very simple था। If you are preparing well, for you there is no competitors only। I'm telling out of this 10 lakh students, only 4 to 5 lakh students are prepared seriously. Remaining students by default they are writing the examination only। You supposed to win among the 5 lakh students, you supposed to win among the 10 lakh students in NEET examination में, then definitely you can start early। Take a benefit from other students also। अच्छा, my perception है, since 20 years I am teaching I am giving coaching for NEET exam, NEET aspirants as well as JEE and IITs। Previously I worked in Akash institutions in North India। I am ex-Akashan faculty। देखो, with my experience with my previous knowledge, what should students to do in order to get the best rank in first attempt है? First attempt में rank आना। अच्छा, what is their strategy for students के लिए? I am telling you simple basic things है, you have to follow, definitely you can get the rank on। Simple basic things है, start as early as possible। This is the main thing है, start as early as possible। Whether you are starting, whether you are 11th standard student or 10th standard students or foundation students also, start as early as possible। This maximum benefit you are getting it if you start as early as possible। Whenever you start as early as possible, earlier you start, you have enough time to prepare, enough time to learn the basic concepts। अच्छा, you started lately, अच्छा before 2 months 3 months, you have no time, you have no enough time to learn the basic things, just to go for formula based questions only। अच्छा, start early as much as possible only। Then don't underestimate yourself. अच्छा क्वेश्चन ऐसा राइज होता है, अच्छा मेरा मार्क्स अच्छा नहीं 10th स्टैंडर्ड में, 10th स्टैंडर्ड में मेरा को 10 पॉइंट्स नहीं आया, 9 पॉइंट्स आया, 8 पॉइंट्स आया. Don't underestimate yourself. 10th board exam is different and the JEE NEET exam is different. I told you, board exam is entirely, there is no way compared with the competitive examinations only. Actually, you are starting from zero also, you have to get the rank in NEET examination. I am definitely, I am ensure you. If you follow our steps, if you follow our notes, if you follow our guidelines, definitely even if you start with zero also, because only thing is attitude होना चाहिए, learning attitude होना चाहिए. You should be a fast learner होना चाहिए. Then definitely you can get the rank only. Maximum benefit you will get it. अच्छा, don't under. This is very important. Most of the students they are underestimate themselves only. This is not correct only. अच्छा, who knows? You will get the best rank in NEET examination or JEE examination only. Start preparation only early. Whatever you don't know, then just what is the problem with it? Nobody can learn by birth. Everybody can learn by learn it the experience by experience only. By day to day, you have to learn it. What is that? What is wrong in that? Nothing wrong in that. Start early as much possible. You have to learn slowly, no problem at all. What is there? Fast learners will learn one day. You can learn after 2 days only. But ultimately, goal is same only, na? अच्छा, be patient and consistent है, consistent है. अच्छा, some students are ऐसा होता है, today they will study 15 hours है, tomorrow, day after tomorrow they are enjoying. Even they are not open the books only. This is not correct only. Consistent होना चाहिए. And not only time है, every day you have to read 4 subjects to 5 subjects है. अच्छा, JEE main के लिए 3 subjects is very important है. Daily you can study mathematics, physics, chemistry, and NEET exam के लिए you have to study daily 4 subjects only. कंसिस्टेंस होना चाहिए. अच्छा, एक एग्जाम में एक बच्चे को आता है 500 है, दूसरे एग्जाम में अच्छा दे विल गेटिंग ओनली 200 मार्क्स है. यू आर नॉट कंसिस्टेंट है, यू आर फोकस्ड ओनली पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक्स है, यू आर इग्नोरिंग रिमेनिंग टॉपिक्स है. अच्छा, टू बिकम ए बेस्ट प्रोफेशनल इन आवर लाइफ है, यू सपोज टू लर्न ऑल द थिंग्स ओनली. यू फील डिफिकल्टी मींस डिफिकल्टीज कैरी इन नेक्स्ट फर्दर क्लास आल्सो ना. यू क्लैरिफाई हियर बेसिक्स आर very clear है, then the rest is very simple for you only. So be patient and consistent only. Don't underestimate. If suppose some exam में marks कम आता है, don't underestimate yourself only. Don't compare with others also. No. Action plan and execution. ये very important. Execution is very important. अच्छा, everybody having action plan है. अच्छा, every day you are supposed to read 10 hours, 8 hours है. अच्छा, your action plan है, you are writing in the paper only. अच्छा, your teacher telling that अच्छा ये करो. Do it like this. अच्छा, they will give the timetable, they will give the action plan. But how many students are executing? Execution में रिजल्ट आता है, एक्शन प्लान में रिजल्ट नहीं आएंगे. अच्छा, आपको लगता है सपोज मॉर्निंग वॉक इज वेरी गुड आवर बॉडी. अच्छा, how many people are doing exercise by early morning? Execution is important है rather than plan. अच्छा, प्लान है, I want to reduce my weight, I have to go early walk. But execution कैसा होता है? How many people are doing execution? अच्छा, not only about real life है, in examination also execution is very important है. You are not executing the things है, you are only action plan है, you are only dreams है. There is result नहीं आएंगे, execution में result आता है. अच्छा, plan होना चाहिए, execute होना चाहिए. अच्छा, dream is different from goal. अच्छा, effortless sleep है. अच्छा, ड्रीम्स आता है ना, became a prime minister है, CM है, अच्छा बेस्ट क्रिकेटर है, एनीथिंग योर ड्रीम इट है, नथिंग, डोंट वरी है. अच्छा, ड्रीम के लिए कोई इफेक्ट नहीं आना चाहिए. एफर्टलेस स्लीप इज नथिंग बट ड्रीम. स्लीपलेस एफर्ट्स इज नथिंग बट गोल है. अच्छा, इन ऑर्डर टू अचीव योर गोल है, अच्छा यू हैव टू स्पेंड मनी. एफर्टलेस sleepless effects है. The difference is that dream is different from goal है. Effortless sleep is nothing but dream है. Sleepless effects is nothing but goal है. Very simple definition I am telling you. अच्छा, smart work rather than smart work कैसा होता है? You have to follow your teacher what they are telling that. अच्छा, suppose suppose if you want to study atomic structure 11th standard में, solid state 12th standard में. अच्छा, before studying atomic structure, before studying solid state है, अच्छा, what purpose I am studying solid state है? What are the new concepts here है? अच्छा, previously NEET examination में what kind of questions are asking in the chapter only? अच्छा, solid state में what kind of questions are asking in the previous chapters only? Previous year's questions only. अच्छा, you have action plan है before starting the chapter only, before starting the preparation of chapter. You have to listen all the topics in classroom है before starting your preparation only. Just you have to think yourself only, assess yourself only. अच्छा, क्या है, क्या जरूरत है, what is the need है? अच्छा, how many, what is the weightage of the chapter in NEET examination? What is the weightage of this chapter in JEE examination? अच्छा, ये आप plan होना चाहिए before going to the preparation of NEET examination, JEE examination only. Right? अच्छा, now you are crazy about your dream only. अच्छा, madness होता है, you have to तेलुगुలో अंటాం పిచ్చి అంటాం మనం. A madness होता है, crazy, you are crazy about your profession only. अच्छा, I supposed to do, अच्छा, whatever may be the things happens, whether it is corona, other anything, whatever may be happening, I supposed to become a good doctor, I supposed to become a good engineer, I supposed to become a software engineer, I am supposed to be one among the 100 people, 1000 people, 1 lakh people only. ऐसा ड्रीम होना चाहिए. ड्रीम को फुलफिल करने के लिए एग्जीक्यूशन एक्शन प्लान होना चाहिए. सो ये आपको टीचर भी बताएंगे, आपका पेरेंट्स सपोर्ट है, आपका टीचर सपोर्ट है. सो देन ऑल टुगेदर वी थ्री टुगेदर. अच्छा, वन साइड, योर साइड, माय साइड cannot achieve the results only. Your parents side, our side, and the students itself, all the success triangle only. The success triangle say we can achieve the good results only. You can do the miracles also, but you come out from comfort zone only. I am telling that what is comfort zone only. Suppose you are loving cricket, I think so much of people are loving cricket only. अच्छा, एक बैट्समैन को होता है एक कंफर्ट जोन है. Then opponents क्या, what they will do, they will see their weakness है, there only they can put the balls on. But that time the batsman is come out from their comfort zone, they can play it. अच्छा, you are not coming out your comfort zone है, you are not scoring the runs only. Come out your comfort zone only. अच्छा, comfort zone कैसा होता है? अच्छा, early morning 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock is not your comfort zone only. अच्छा, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock is a comfort zone only. A comfort zone make things not happens only. Results are not coming only. Come out from comfort zone only. अच्छा, start early means अच्छा, use it to wake up early morning only. 4 o'clock है, 5 o'clock है. Start preparation 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock है. Habituate होना चाहिए. This is very difficult, I do agree it. But ये एक्शन प्लान होना चाहिए, ये कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर आना चाहिए, then only we get the maximum results. कंफर्ट जोन में no one can make any miracles only. I am telling you 100%. Anybody, myself also, yourself also, everyone also, your parents also, comfort zone में, in your comfort zone we can't do any miracles. अच्छा, what should you avoid during your preparation time only? अच्छा, this is a very important thing. अच्छा, don't addict social media. अच्छा, nowadays most distractions are social media. अच्छा, it may be WhatsApp, it may be YouTube, it may be Twitter, it may be अच्छा, so many. What is the social media? All social medias are, because students get distracted only. Because nowadays mostly online class चलता है. अच्छा, you parents are giving on smartphone to their students, but students are not smart to handle the smartphones only. They're not smart enough to handle the smartphones only. Because in your presence they are predicting that they are listening the classes only. In your absence, what they are doing, we should not know, you should not also not know. So realization होना चाहिए student side से. अच्छा, what benefits also there, I am telling that. Utilize the benefits maximum. Avoid the other times, other than this online classes, avoid the social media. Better, I am suggesting you students only. You can do the miracles. अच्छा, एक काम करो, 1 month you should not use mobile phone. You can see the changes in our studies only. Right? चलो. अच्छा, don't compare to other results only. I am said now, this is a relative performance only. Actually, you are competitors from yourself only. Don't compare your marks with other students only. But your preparation is different, other student preparation is different. Ultimately, finally, everybody can reach the same destination only. But in between, weekend examination में, fortnightly test में, अच्छा monthly test में, like grand test paper में, full length papers में, don't compare your marks with other students. अच्छा, you improve yourself only. You can compete your yesterday performance today, but don't compare with other students only. Right? It is very dangerous only. अच्छा, आप एक काम कर सकते हैं सर. So today my marks is 300 400 marks. I supposed to increase. अच्छा, what you did mistakes है, what damage is done है, just repair your damage है, rectify your mistakes है. Don't repeat the mistake in next examination. That is a correct one. That is a good one only. Good exercise only. But don't compare with others only. What you did mistakes and you have to correct it. What damage done for yourself, you can repair your damage only. Then move forward on. अच्छा, don't be panic while you are getting the lower marks in that certain periodic test में. अच्छा, improve yourself only. अच्छा, चलो 100 मार्क्स आया, कोई बात नहीं. ये प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट होता है ना. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम में 150 लाओ. अरे ओवरनाइट में you cannot do 100 marks से 600 marks है. But over a bit of a time, yes, you can get it. No doubt at all. देखो, some reference books हैं. I'm suggesting the NEET students है, those who are preparing from NEET for 11th standard onwards or 12th standard also. अच्छा, biology में understanding the concepts thoroughly for each and every topic which are given in NCERT textbook only. अच्छा, my suggestion for all NEET aspirants है, don't read other books है other than NCERT book. Other than NCERT book, more is a Bible for NCERT. Is a Bible for NEET examination. NCERT is a Bible. So don't go for other books also. अच्छा, every line of biology NCERT is important. Every line. If you want to prepare one notebook, just you have to prepare the notes also. NCERT line to line, you have to prepare notes yourself only. It will give much confidence for you only. You have to concise the content also. While preparing, it is very easy for you. You possibly have to make a questions from the paragraph also. This is a way of studying NEET examination only. अच्छा, don't read अच्छा line by line to line. While understanding, you have to read line to line only. अरे NCERT exemplar questions हैं. अच्छा, particularly diagram based questions ज़्यादा आता है. Diagram and labeling है. अच्छा, वो important thing है. अच्छा, MCQ multiple choice questions में MCQ के लिए अच्छा, we are providing our material है SKRM Sri Krishna Rudra Medical Academy. And Truman Biology is a reference books. I am suggesting the biology के लिए Truman is a reference books for biology, but I am not suggesting for all the students only. Those who got 360 out of 360, I think NCERT is enough in order to get 360 out of 360 also. But reference books, I am suggesting you Truman Biology is sufficient for you. अच्छा, physics. अच्छा, ये यहाँ आता है NEET students का problem. The initial perception है अच्छा, physics is very difficult था. अच्छा, please remove this ambiguity. Remove this perception from your mind. अच्छा, physics is not meant for numerical line. Physics is meant for so much applications and concepts. You are enjoying the concepts. You are enjoying applications. Once you study properly in physics. अच्छा teacher होना चाहिए आपका, physics का अच्छा होना चाहिए. So a good teacher helps you to increase your physics marks also. Like too extreme also. Whether you understand the physics is extremely, physics is very easy for you. As you are unable to understand the physics is very difficult for you. But this says on teacher only. As a teacher creates interest on physics subject, we are enjoying the concepts only. Like this also, NCERT is enough. Our material line and SC Verma. अच्छा, reference books I am telling you, SC Verma volume 1, volume 2, thoroughly you have to prepare. Just definitely you can score a minimum 120 plus marks in NEET examination. अच्छा, केमिस्ट्री में 3 पार्ट्स होता है, फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री, इनऑर्गेनिक और ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री. अच्छा, लास्ट 2 ईयर से आप देख लीजिए, द ओनली थिंग इज NCERT से क्वेश्चंस आता है 100% NCERT बुक से. जस्ट लाइक बायोलॉजी आल्सो, केमिस्ट्री आल्सो यू रीड फ्रॉम NCERT book. And anyhow, we are providing our material also. Sri Krishna Rudra Medical Academy, they are also providing the materials also. But NCERT exemplar questions है, NCERT line to line questions है, NCERT in-test questions है, NCERT numericals है, NCERT exercise questions है, is more than sufficient for the physics, chemistry as well as bio. अच्छा, out of 180 you can easily score 160 plus है. अच्छा, bio में 360 और 360 है. अच्छा, biology and chemistry के लिए NCERT is more than sufficient. चलो, reference books for JEE advance है. JEE main के लिए नीट रेफरेंस बुक्स जेई में रेफरेंस बुक्स का सेम है, मोर और लेस सेम होता है, नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल. बट जे एडवांस के लिए थोड़ा हाई लेवल होना चाहिए. तो जे एडवांस के लिए केमिस्ट्री का ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री है, वेरी मच यूजफुल फॉर स्टूडेंट्स है. एमएस चौहान का बुक्स है, उसमें ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस भी था, थ्योरी क्वेश्चंस भी होता है, वो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट था. एमएस चौहान का बुक्स है, सो मार्केट में अवेलेबल है. जस्ट इफ यू वांट फॉर जे एडवांस लेवल है, बेटर यू हैव टू परचेज दिस बुक्स ओनली. इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री के लिए जेडी ली इज अ बाइबल है इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री के लिए. एंड फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री के लिए भी विपुल मेहता इज आल्सो वेरी गुड. बट अदर देन दिस इज अ Cengage publications also I am suggesting you, better you have to go for Cengage publications, right? चलो नेक्स्ट. फिजिक्स के लिए मोस्टली नॉर्थ इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स आर प्रिपेयरिंग दिस बुक्स है. अंडरस्टैंडिंग फिजिक्स बाय डीसी पांडे, ऑफ कोर्स एससी वर्मा आल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है. Problems in general physics by Irdo is very important है. अच्छा, most of the students हैं. अच्छा, ये वाला very important है. If you want to prepare for JEE advanced physics है, better you have to purchase this book. These are the books are very important for physics के लिए. अच्छा, mathematics के लिए Arihant books are very good in mathematics है. Not only Arihant है, Cengage also very good है, very good books है. But reference books के लिए आप my suggestion for R.D. Sharma. अच्छा, our admissions are in progress only. अच्छा, if anybody wants to go for our videos हैं, our lectures हैं in YouTube है, better you can type Sri Krishna Rudra Medical Academy YouTube channel. There you can subscribe our channel. We can get a playlist. All inorganic, organic, physical, and physics ka all demo classes are available. Once you can watch the demo classes, later you can call back to us for these numbers. Admissions are in progress. We are taking only limited numbers. We are not taking 10 sections, 4 sections. Only 2 sections only. Only 2 for each and every class. Only 2 sections are we are permitting. Only one girl section, one boy section also. So we are ex-Akarshan faculty, sir. We have more than 20 years experience, sir. We are giving coaching for NEET examination as well as the JEE examination. So any interested students, sir, please call back to our number, sir. Our people, our persons are get in touch with you. Thank you very much for your patience learning. Once again, thank you.